In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your very own Squarespace account. If you're an author looking to establish an online presence, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful as we create a website tailored just for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Squarespace. As soon as you're there, click on Get Started. This is your gateway to many beautiful templates specifically designed for authors and writers. I recommend browsing through options with clean, blog-friendly layouts. Some popular choices include Holly, Paloma, or Rally. These templates are fantastic for showcasing your work and engaging with your audience. Next, you're going to create your free trial site. This is a great way to experiment and see how everything fits together before making any commitments. Now that you've got your foundation, let's enrich your site by adding core pages essential for any author. Using the Pages panel, start by creating a home page. This is the first impression visitors will get, so include a quick introduction, your latest book cover, and a compelling call to action, perhaps a button that links to where they can buy your book. Your About page comes next. Here's where you share your story, your bio, your inspirations, and of course, an author photo to add a personal touch. Then, you'll want to have a Books or Works page. This is your showcase. Display your books with cover images, short blurbs to entice readers, and purchase links through platforms like Amazon or Bookshop. Don't forget to include a blog or news page. It's your space to share updates, essays, events, or even a glimpse behind the scenes of your writing process. And for those who are active with events, an events or appearances page is optional yet useful. It highlights book signings, launches, or readings. Finally, a contact page is essential for readers, media, or event organizers to reach out. An easy-to-use form can serve this purpose well. Now let's make your site uniquely yours by connecting your branding. In the design section, under site styles, upload your logo or simply write your name using a nice font that represents your author brand. Adjust the colors, fonts, and header styles to align with your genre, be it mystery, romance, or sci-fi. To make buying your books a seamless experience, add purchase buttons on your books page. Use button blocks under each cover image with text such as buy on Amazon and link it directly to the purchase page. Another crucial step is to collect emails for your newsletter. Head over to marketing, then email campaigns. You could also connect services like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Add a newsletter block to your home or blog page, offering an incentive like a free chapter or exclusive story to entice signups. Let's not skip on optimizing your site for SEO. For each page, head to Settings, then SEO. Add titles and descriptions. For instance, something like official website of your name, author of your book title, works well. Finally, it's time to set your domain and publish your site. You can buy a custom domain inside Squarespace like yourname.com or connect one you already own. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks, simply hit publish. And there you have it. You've successfully created a professional author site where readers can learn more about you, discover your books, and subscribe to your updates. Congratulations.